Hi, this is my staff attendance sheet. Now I notice that when I'm filling the attendance up to the 10th of March, it's all well and good. But as I start scrolling to the right, I notice that I no longer can see which staff I'm filling the attendance for. To avoid this, I went from this sheet to this sheet where I can now scroll only the attendance side of it while preserving my staff information. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get this done. And if you find this video helpful, please leave that like down below. Doing this is extremely simple. All you have to do is get to the cell below and to the right of the cell that you want to freeze. So in my case, I would like to freeze everything below the heading row and to the right of the salary column. So this is where I need to be. Once I'm here, go into the view section of your ribbon and click on freeze panes. Now there are three options. We'll get to each of them, but the first option would be the most commonly used option. If I click on this, it's going to not only freeze everything to the right of the salary per month column, but also it's going to freeze the entire heading row. To unfreeze, all you have to do is click on the freeze pane section and click on unfreeze panes. Now you may be in a situation where you don't need to freeze horizontally, right? You may be only wanting to freeze the heading. To do this, you might be thinking I can just go to freeze panes and click on freeze top row. Now this can work if your heading is on the top row only. But if you see in my case, if I scroll down, it doesn't work. This is because I've left the top row, row 1 empty, and I've also left column 1 empty. And this is because according to me, in my opinion, this gives it a much better look and feel to the Excel sheet. Now, if you don't have this empty row, this would work absolutely fine. But since I do, let me tell you how to get this done. Unfreeze the panes again, go to the first column but below the heading row, and now you can just do the freeze panes. It works just as well as before. The same thing goes with the freeze columns. If you hit freeze first column, it's going to freeze everything but the first column because I have an empty column. But if I go here now and hit freeze panes, now the employee number column is frozen and I can scroll freely. Now click here to learn some Excel shortcuts and boost your efficiency, or click here. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. And in my upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can lock cells in Excel. To watch that and more Excel tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.